Yes.
Oh, look, it's like a pony flower.
Okay, tara.
Look, it's like a pony
Okay, tara, let's go.
Look, it's like... Stop.
It's wobbly. Ay, ito, yan na yung bus namin.
Huh?
Yeah.
Yeah, it's something you should.
Say good morning.
Good morning.
Good morning, Barbie. Pinky. Good morning, Tita Garmasa. Okay, tara dito.
Dad, you say it today. Okay. I'm going more.
Sige na, kay malate na ta. Oh my goodness. Okay, let's go. Yes.
Oh, look, it's like a pony flower.
Okay, tara.
Look, it's like a pony
Okay, tara, let's go.
Look, it's like one for us. And I got happy because I got one. And I got, thank you, good idea. I was looking at my mom, do you have anyone over there?
Did you there, PE?
Yeah, there's ping pong there. Right over there, next to that.
What did you do? Oh yeah, I see it. What did you do
Like, you know,
during PE time?
like, you do that, like, how you practice the there, and you just do it, and you don't throw it in a hole. Just like this. What's Christian? Like, you got a base,
Antay kami ng bus mga kachika. Papunta pala kami ng town. Yeah, that's the one. Sobrang lakas pala ng hangin. Ano namin, pero at least hindi naman siya umuulan kasi chinek ko sa weather forecast for today. Sabi na uulan daw, pero I think parang ano lang to yung ulan ba. Maaraw ngayon tapos mamaya uulan to kasi yun yung sabi ng weather forecast. So sana bago umulan makauwi na din kami ng bahay. Hindi man kami magtatagal mga kachika kasi may kailangan lang akong bilhin sa town and then may inuto sa akin si Mr. na papabili. Wala pa man yung bus. Come here please. It's not a good place to play like that.
You need to move. Why? Because it's very dangerous. Red, let's go. Oh, it does.
Not yet.
Oh, it's so green.
Pauwi na kami mga kachika. Bigat-bigat ng dala ko kayo. Nagpunta nga kami
I
ng
saw a
Tesco.
man with wearing costume.
The lady said he do that every year.
Like every
Sabi look,
weekend.
it is the other one.
Okay.
It's wobbly. Ay, ito, yan na yung bus namin. Hindi pa pala. Nanirevyos ako sa kay Alisa. Bakala ko matutumba. Alina, this side please. It's not really safe that side. Yung bus na yon, nandyan na yung bus pero yan yung papunta doon sa dati naming tirahan. Itong bigat-bigat bag. Ayan yung pinamili namin sa Tesco. Put in the bin now. Put in the bin, please.
Is he in or what?
Yeah, it's on. Magawa ko ng fried rice pang ano na mga bata, mga kachika, lunch. Kasi hindi naman kami nag-lunch doon.
Don't you ever say I just can want I can never lie right all my life I just want you. I need a baby doll. I know the heart to go. I know the house. Standing up like a dog. You have to take me. And you want. You have to take me. I'm a boy for so high. For so high to the sky. I'm gonna come and kiss me. Please don't take your hand. Wanna feel me? True. No,
Huh?
When is Easter?
And this month. How was it? Getting better? A little bit better?
Yeah,
Okay, that's good.
I think. I'm not sure.
You're not sure? Na kanina pa kami dumating. Hindi agad ako nakapag-update kay na ano ka.
April. April.
Aw.
April.
Yung may bag kami na nawala mga kachika. Yung ang laman noon ay ito, yung binili ko doon sa yung pinuntahan namin sa town kaya nagpabili siya ng ganito, yung deep heat. So, wala na kasi itong laman. Ito yung pinunta talaga namin doon at saka bumili din ako ng ibuprofen at ano pa ba yung laman noon ng bag na yon. Yung M&M's, di ba napansin nyo kayo na doon sa video ko na nag-antay kami ng bus na meron akong Boots na bag, M&M's at saka Primark. So yung M&M's, magaan lang yun siya mga kachika na bag kasi yung laman noon ay yung sabon na pangligo ng mga bata, tapos tubig yung water bottle nila, andiyaka ito, tsaka ibuprofen. Kasi yun lang naman binili namin doon sa ano kayo nasa Superdrug. So yeah, I think yun lang yata. Binili namin doon kasi tinignan ko yung receipt, nandito naman yung vitamins, buti na lang yung vitamin kasi medyo mahal-mahal yung vitamins, nandito naman kasi mabigat na siya. So, yun na nga. Nandoon din yung brown na teddy bear kasi may bit-bit kayo na sa ilina na teddy bear. Nandoon gasali. Tapos yun na nga yung laman ng bag. So, naiwan namin ng bus. So, nagtakbo na kami pupunta dito kasi nag-alala nga ako kasi pagalitan din ako ni mister na ganyan ba? Na wala siyang ganyan. So, sabi ko sa ngayon, gamitin mo lang muna yung efficacent na yung ginawa kong panghaplas ba? Yun lang muna ipahaplas ko sa kanya ngayon. Tapos, yun nga. Problema lang kung walang ibuprofen. Pero nag-contact na kami sa lost property ng bus company mga kachika. So sana maibalik sa amin. O sana man lang may makapulot din noon ba kasi ba na may mabait yung makatanggap noon. Kasi meron nga yung teddy bear. Yung teddy bear na yun, ang tagal na noon mga kachika. Ano yun, bigay pa yun ni Mr. sa akin noong 2017. Valentine's. May heart siya sa gitna, kulay brown, nandoon din sa bag. Yun na yung pinabitbit ko kay Alina. Actually, gusto niya papadagdagan yun ang staff doon sa loob. Sabi ko yun na lang kasi mabigat na. Yun nga, nawala. Sana mabalik pa yun ba? Eh, sayang din yun. Magre-ready ako ng... Uy! I got your lunch here!
Come on, get him. The food's getting cold. Get him in here, Jenny.
I did already call them.
Well, get him.
Come on now!
Be insistent for God's
Pause
sake.
pause it.
Nana, both it! I'll take it off. Mom, squash my favorite!
What is it?
My favorite! Ow!
Changing,
Stop. 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 Stop.
Sige na, sige na. Ano yung lunch nila?
Hello, Alina.
Hello.
You on the street?
Huh?
You didn't say anything. Naglalaro yung dalawa sa backyard mga kachika kaso parang wala ng araw. Kaya na pa yan pagkatapos nila mag-dinner. Diretso agad nila sila dyan. Ano ako ba? Ito ba? O, hindi ko pa talaga to na natanim. Yung binili ko na yan sa ano. Pero diniligan ko yan siya kahapon. And talabay ko yan. Tapos ito din pinano ko na to lang. Nasira na pala ito. Wala na, nasira na mga kachika. Yung ito ba? Ayan, yung binili ko din to sa Tesco na magkasabay sila dyan. Ayan. Ayan, humaba na. Hindi ko pa natanim. Pero hindi naman siya namatay. Ito din, itatanim ko din to eh. Kulang lang ng ano. Hindi pa tumubo pa. Kailangan na pala linisan yung aming window. Pa ako nakapaglinis simula naglipat kami dito. O nagpunas-punas naman ako dyan. Pero hindi talaga yung ano ba. And then may kailangan ng linisin doon banda. Naman yung ako. Ito, ang tagal na nito. Hindi na namulaklak pa. Hindi ko alam kung bakit hindi na ito namulaklak. Pero may yan dyan. May patubo yan dyan. Sana mamulaklak na din to kasi malapit na maglanta yung ito. Yan. Bubbles. Ano yung mukha ni Elisa? Itim-itim man ang mukha ni Elisa. Hindi naka-filter. Gulo-gulo pa ng buhok. Tinanggal yung tali. Pangalawang labas na nila yan dyan. Kaya ano nang oras na 4:49 na. Yeah, you do some braiding now, and Alisa, I'm gonna teach Alisa as well doing that. Look, she's tracing.
So you know copy. There's a blank here that you need to copy.
Oh, you need to copy on the bottom, Lisa. Copy there. Can you delete that, babe?
Huh?
You delete? Can
You
you?
rub it out. It's a
Okay.
whiteboard pen, so you rub
Okay,
it.
let her do that first, and then.
I know why it's called a whiteboard, because it's called a whiteboard because it's for whiteboard,
Okay, you have to do some braiding as well.
like in our house. Like that now.
Ito yung gagawin niya. So, mag-tracing pa rin yan siya. Sulat-sulat. Alisa in there. I thought I was there. So, too slow.
Where's my...
So, ayan mga kachika, mayroon na pala tayo ditong ayan, yung upuan, yung upuan yan doon sa bedroom ni, Alina, that's enough now please. Bedroom ni Alisa, pero hindi naman yan siya ginagamit mga kachika, pinapatungan lang yan siya doon kung ano-ano. Kaya yung ginawa ni Mr. nilagay niya dito kasi nga hirap siya ngayon na mag-upo mga kachika, lalo na yung dito yung toilet bowl ba ay ano siya mga kachika, yung mababa lang siya, tapos syempre matangkad siya, so hirap siya nga kachika ngayon mag-bend ng kanyang paa, yung kanyang legs. So sa ngayon medyo nakagalaw-galaw na siya.
Bounces!
Compare last night, ayan, nakagalaw-galaw na, hindi na siya masyadong in pain. Gaya, yeah, I seen that already. Gaya last night, nakapag doon nagluto-luto na siya, nagtulong-tulong na siya na mag-ano sa akin, maglinis ng kusina, ganon. So ganina pagdating namin, o pagkagising ko, nakita ko na yan dyan. Sabi,
Please do something. I know things are those things. Yeah, so on your head.
ayaw, so what are you doing, sa?
See.
Yeah, ngayon, iba na yung ano niya ngayon ba? Yung itsura niya compare kagabi. Hindi na siya mag-agay-agay. Mag-agay-agay ba? Kagalaw-galaw na nga din siya ng kaunti. Pero sabi ko, wag mo nang ipersa yan. Baka maano na naman. Pero yun yan, nag-auto siya na mag-ano na. Haplasan ko na lang siya ng efficacent. You want me to put the oil now?
Yeah, can do. We'll get these two organised for you.
Okay.
Stop!
See?
Nina!
Alina did it, not me.
Nina! Stop!
That's right. Oh, your hand's going to be cold.
Nice na. Use it for Alisa. For Alisa.
Huh?
And for Alisa legs.
Cold. Come on, rub it in. Don't worry. Come on, be gentle. Yeah. Oh, yeah, that's good. Oh, yeah. Yeah, and all around the top as well, front. Is that the bottle you got left? Have to get some more then, don't run out. You need it for yourself. Huh?
Yeah.
Where do you get it from?
You can get them from the town.
Can you?
Shop. Small shop in the Filipino shop.
Oh, well, yeah, but don't run out. Have to get a spare one.
Mm.
Huh?
Mm.
They're used to that smell now, aren't they?
Mm.
Huh?
Yeah.
Yeah, something you should keep. Something that they know. Huh?
Mm.
Yeah.
Yeah, because if like the guy stomach pain when you
Yeah.
want oil,
Yeah, I know. I know.
put oil.
Ah. Sleep now, is she?
Mm.
Lisa.
Mm.
Oh, that's good. Oh, wow, yeah. How's the muscle there? Hard?
Hard, yeah.
It's good.
Hard.
Yeah.
Okay, don't cover yet.
Huh?
Don't put your
No, you're right.